So we have this circuit that has a lot of black boxes in it, and we're told the voltage and current associated with each of the black boxes. And we want to figure out which ones supply power and which ones absorb it or receive it. And also we're going to calculate how much they are. So I've labeled, so all of the voltages are in blue, all of the currents are in green, and I've numbered all the objects in red and also marked the points V1 and V2 we're supposed to calculate. Everything else is a receiver except for 5. And again, we can tell from the fact that the higher voltage is in the direction of the current.